Really sweaty, and this is my first time doing an unboxing video, so like, don't judge me too hard. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video, which I'm super excited for. 2 pairs of Vans from the Nightmare Before Christmas collection. If you don't know, I am a huge fan of Tim Burton movies, and The Nightmare Before Christmas is like my absolute favorite movie ever. So when I heard that Vans was doing a Nightmare Before Christmas collaboration thing, I kind of lost my shit. I believe that they released 8 pairs of actual Vans, plus some other things. I know they did slides and they did a couple clothing items and like backpacks and hats and a bunch of that stuff. But I just got 2 pairs of the shoes because that was like a lot of money to begin with, and I can't really drop like $300 to get the whole thing. So, okay, I need to stop talking and just open them. I don't even have my phone on me. I don't know what it's doing. That's my computer ringing. Oh my god, the boxes are so cute! I have my order confirmation, which is helpful because now I don't need my computer. Let me scoot this out the way. The box is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, it has a little like gifting thing on it. That's so cute. This is so cute. Oh my god. I haven't even opened them yet. I'm so scared. Oh my god. This is just the packaging and I'm already in awe, man. Oh my god. They went all out with this stuff. Bro, the tags are killing me. They have little spoopy like pumpkins and yeah, just pumpkin, not that. Which would make sense, Jackie, get with the program. A little sketched out right now. So this is the shoe. This is the skate high. And this is the print. Oh my god, my fucking cat is going to the bathroom right now. Can we not? Do you see how cute Zero is? Oh my god, it's so precious. But the thing that I'm sketched out with is the fact that they came like this and they have marks on them already, because I just took them out of the box and it's like they were halfway unwrapped, and the other pair isn't really like that. Vans, what are you doing? I'm probably not gonna return them because it's like that's just a hassle, and I don't know if I can return them to like my local Journeys, but it's just, that's a little disappointing, you know, that they're already jacked up. But they are really cute. I can give them that. Oh my god, it's like a leathery material on the inside. And then it says, nice work, Bone Daddy. I thought that was really cute. I didn't even notice that until after I bought the shoes. So that's really cool. On the inside, that's what's on the inside. Oh shit, I didn't even realize these glowed? These glow in the dark. Okay, wait, they have different prints on each side of the fucking shoe. They have different prints on each shoe. Bro, when I tell you I didn't look at these that closely, I really didn't, because I knew I would like them. But holy shit, the attention to detail in these is insane. Like, bro, this one has Zero on the outside. This is the right shoe. And this one has Jack on the outside. And then on the inside it has Sally. And then, what the freak? This is... Okay, Vans, you kind of fixed the situation with them being all jacked up. But these are so cool. This pair I'm really excited about, just because of the colors. So you can kind of see what they are. These are the, what the frick are these? The old schools. These are the old schools. I don't know Vans terminology, I'm sorry. But these are the old schools that have Top Shot and Barrel on them. I'm so excited. Oh my god, these look so good already. Holy shit. Bro. Holy shit. Oh my god, these are just like, these are officially the coolest pair of shoes that I own. Holy shit, look at that. This is like a patch that's sewn onto the shoe. And I'm like, oh my god. God, I'm so happy. What the heck? These are also like a micro suede. I guess that's what you would call it. Or just like a suede material. And the laces are inside, but they have the cute little logo on there. I also got these in an 8.5, like I said before. I don't think I talked about the prices. This pair, I believe, was $75. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna correct it on the screen, but these were $75 because they are the high tops. And then I think these were $70, which is kind of expensive for shoes, but like, so do I think they're worth the price? I mean, if you're a Nightmare Before Christmas fan, I think they are. If you don't know what the fuck the movie's about, then you're probably not gonna want them unless you think they look like cool. But then people might ask you about your shoes and you'll just be like, I overall am very happy with both pairs of shoes. I'm really happy with the amount of time that it took for them to get here. They came really fast. Overall, I think I would recommend these, especially if you're a fan of Tim Burton and The Nightmare Before Christmas. So that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. Oh my god, that is so awkward. All of my social media links are in the description down below. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!